Hi, I'm Robbie from RBC. Today we're going to be introducing the new Ohlins RXF 34 fork. It's released worldwide today from the Swedish suspension giant, and they've been working on this project for a couple of years. So today we're going to, lucky enough to unbox one and have a look and see what the benefits and features of this fork are. So straight out of the box, the fork feels very light. Ohlins claims 1690 grams with no air tokens in the side. I haven't weighed it yet, but it certainly does feel very light. They're calling this a downcountry fork, which basically in South African language would mean translated to a really nice fork for stage racing or marathon. So for a longer trail bike, 120, 130 mil trail bike. These days, that's kind of where you're wanting to ride marathons with or stage races. So being the 34, it's nice and beefy. They've also changed the lowers quite a bit from the previous 34. First of all, it's boost, so 110 mil axle. They've still retained the floating axle, so your hub will float, which means that you won't bind when you close it up. Big difference from the previous RXF 34 is that here you have the new OTX damper, which is 27% lighter than the TTX. You've got 3 clicks of high speed. You've got 15 clicks of low speed compression, 10 clicks of rebound. The main issue, the main change has come on the air side. So in the previous fork, we had the air cartridge, which they still use for the 36 and the 38, with a positive, a negative, and a ramp-up chamber. So gone is this cartridge. For this fork now, we're using a normal negative chamber, which is a self-inflating negative chamber. So when you pump up the positive, the negative inflates once you equalize it. That reduces weight a lot and also makes the fork nice and sensitive. And then, of course, in the box, you have 2 air tokens. I believe it does come with one already fitted. So to tune the fork for your riding style, to change the progression, you can just add some air tokens. So what's most impressive about this fork is the weight. Ohlins have been working hard to make the fork super stiff while retaining a really light weight. And I can't wait to get on the trail, test one out. Changing the travel is quite easy. Just by changing the air shaft, you're able to change between 120 and 130. So for those guys who are looking to have this bike or this fork on multiple bikes, so you start out with a 120, but you want to go to 130 with your new frame, you just upgrade the air side, which is quite easy to do. Other than that, the fork looks good, typical of Ohlins. Really nice, clean lines, beautiful looking fork, and nice and light. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button and the bell for more information, and follow us on YouTube. Thank you.